Okay, we're going to review here how to use the smaller expanding segment sets and tooling without using calibration on the machine. So what I have here is a 575 arbor, a 570 spacer, and I have a 404 segment set. And I'm going to be using 1 1/8" tubing. Now, the purpose of the spacer is because the segment sets are smaller on the base. We want to fill this hole cavity, so the spacer is going to fill that hole cavity. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our adjustable collar screwed inward. We're going to screw on our arbor. All the way snug. Then we're going to put our spacer over. I'll just show you quick here. Spacer is going to fill that hole in. So now I'm going to place my segment set over. Now the collar is screwed inward and I'm going to retract my arbor. So it's stroked all the way in. Now I'll take my tubing and I'll place it over the segment set. And we're going to turn the collar out until it won't turn anymore. Now I know this is set at the ID of the tube. So this way I will never overexpand my tube farther than I have to. So I'm going to relax my arbor, and I'm going to start to screw the collar out and start my expansions. You always want to hit it like 2 to 3 times to round it out. Keep working it until we get to the point that it's going to fit over itself. What a lot of guys do, and this is wrong, is they'll screw this collar all the way out and leave it. What happens when you expand, as you can see, right in here, you can see the point of the arbor where the fingers are. You hold this the way it expands, we're just slightly, I don't know if you can see this, slightly past the arbor. The farther you screw this out, that's less support you have over these fingers, and what you'll start to get is a teeter-totter effect on the fingers. And that's why they'll get a leverage and they'll crack and they'll break. So never leave this collar screwed out farther than what you need to do the job. And if you extend it too far, you probably have to move it to the